Hi friends, this is Sue with Sculptedonyx, and today I have another pedicure video for you. Today we're going to be doing a gel overlay on these toes, so stay tuned for that. So my lovely client came in for a pedicure for today's video, and what I've noticed about her toes is that her toenails are kind of like not as strong as we'd like them to be. They tend to chip and break a lot, especially her big toes. So I'm gonna try something different today. Instead of using a regular gel base coat that I normally use for my clients, I'm gonna use a different product. So I think that'll help her out a lot with just the strength of her toenails. So I'm gonna have y'all watch the pedicure process. Nothing's really changed, so once I'm ready to apply the product, I will jump back on here. So now that my client's toes are all prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse them with some alcohol so that I can get ready to use the product that I like to use to help her with the strength of her toes. So I'm just gonna cleanse those up really quick and then we'll get into the products. And the products that I'm using today is called Pedisafe from a company called Fanair. I've done an unboxing video with them before, so I encourage you to check out that video. I'll leave it linked and I'll put a little bar thingy so y'all can click that. So I'm starting off with their modeling base gel, and this is the kind of like the base coat I was talking about. I'm just gonna apply that to all 5 of her nails, and then I'm gonna go and cure. So what I'm hoping that this product will do, which I'm pretty sure it will do since I've used it before, is just be a little bit stronger than the typical base coat that one would use for their pedicures. This company, Fanair, specifically designed these products to use for toes and help strengthen the natural nails of the toes, and use them for extensions and overlays and things. In my last video, I used this product to create a toenail extension, but in today's video, I'm going to do an overlay. So the first step I'm going to do here is just to apply that base coat to all of her nails. And so once all of the nails are cured with the base gel that they have, I'm gonna use the modeling Cover Pink color. In my last video, I used their clear, I believe, but this is a Cover Pink. It doesn't look that pink, but it looks more like just like a natural nail color, I guess. So I think that's pretty cool. And so I'm just going to take a good size amount, use the Pedisafe brushes that are included with the kit, and just kind of like float that product down the nail. I'm not a gel tech. I am gonna be switching to gel, but I found this product very easy to use, and I'm not having any issue, getting the gel to where I need it to be. It does move around a little bit, but I feel like with more practice, I'll be able to just be a little bit faster and be able to get the gel where I need it to be without it moving. But even for, again, just like me trying out this product, this specific color for the first time, I think it came out really well. And it covered her toes exactly where I needed it to be covered, and I didn't have to do much like filing or shaping or anything like that after. So I thought that was pretty awesome. And I'm just gonna cure that toe really quick, And I'm going to use their color that's included in a kit called Tiki Bar. I'm gonna paint her 4 toes first, and paint those and then cure those with the top coat and everything first, because I do need to go back and kind of like file and shape her big toe, and I don't want to do that right now because I don't want to get any dust on her other toes. So what you're going to see me do is just apply the color, apply 2 coats of the Tiki Bar color, and then apply the top coat. Then after that, I'll go in, file and shape her big toe, and then apply the color to her big toe. But yeah, this color is super pretty. What do you think? And so once all the other toes are polished and top coated, I'm going to use their tack-free shine cleanser to remove the tacky layer from the big toe. And then I'm going to just file and shape her toe to how we like it. I'm going to go in and use a buffing block to kind of just make sure the toes, or the product on the toe, is nice and smooth and there's no lumps or bumps or anything like that. I applied the product pretty evenly to her toes, so I didn't really have to buff that much. Like, this buffer is a very kind of like fine buffer, but I just did that a little bit to you know, get that shape we want and get the toe looking how you want it to look. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dust that off, cleanse it with the alcohol, and then paint her toes again. But what do you think of that color? I think it's super cute. Like, I don't know, it looks like just like her natural toe. So yeah, I think that's really cool. I really like that color. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this Tiki Bar red color, which is super cute, and then our pedicure will be all set once I do that and top coat it. And this is the final look for today. I want to say thank you guys for watching, and thank you Fanair for sponsoring this video for me today. All links will be in my description box, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!